Hello everyone. I'm going to show you one interesting brain activity. This is very useful for the childrens. Okay? Do you want to know what is that? Yes, that is tangram puzzle. I think many of you have heard about this tangram puzzle. If you don't have heard about this tangram puzzle, I'm going to give you some detail about that. Then I'm going to tell the details how you can prepare the tangram puzzle at home. Okay, and I'm also going to tell like different activities, different shapes, what and all you can prepare using this tangram puzzles. Okay, let's start. So what is tangram puzzles? Tangram puzzles means it is a 7 flat shapes puzzle. What is that? 7 shapes. You have heard about, you know, the geometrical shapes, right? So in this tangram puzzle you are going to use triangles, then square, then parallelogram. So these are the shapes you are going to use in the tangram puzzles. So what are all need for the tangram puzzle means, like you need 2 large triangles, then one medium sized then triangle, then one small triangle, then one square, then one parallelogram. So totally you need 7 shapes. Okay, so this game actually it was invented in China. Okay, so children used to do this tangram puzzle for various activities, like they can able to create different kind of shapes, then alphabet, then numbers, then pictures. So it will improve their creativity level. Okay, so it's like a one kind of play way method also. So using this tangram puzzle you can make more than 6500 shapes and objects you can make it. Okay, then what is the other uses means, if continuously if you are playing with the tangram puzzles, okay, it will improve your memory power, like it will improve in the memory power in the sense it will make you to think creatively, then logical thinking also will be there. So this is one kind of memory activity. So you can use this tangram puzzle. And now I'm going to show you how to make the tangram puzzle, because already ready-made tangram puzzle is there. If you don't have that ready-made tangram puzzle, you can also make using at home with the simple things. Okay, so what all you need means, go and be ready with your scissor, then colors, then one cardboard. If you don't have a cardboard, you can take any box, just a flat shape you need it to stick the papers. Then you need one paper, then glue you need it. Okay, I will show you what all I have made ready with. Okay, then you, if you have a A4 size paper, that A4 size paper you have to make it to square shape. So I will show you how you can make it. Okay, so what you have to do means, in the classes, like you have to make this tangram puzzle, then in the next step you can make different shapes or objects. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to show you what I have already, that tangram puzzles. See here, I have 2 large triangles, 2 small triangles like this, one medium sized triangle, one parallelogram, and one square shape. So using this you can make different shape. I said, right? For example, I will show you one. You can find it what I'm going to make it after I finished it, I think so. Can you find it? What is this? Yes, it's a cat. So like this you can make various shapes. So this one I have already. Like this I have many tangram puzzles like this and all. So I'm going to show you how you can make this tangram puzzle at home. This is somewhat like heart shapes. Okay, I will show you. So you are ready with your things, right? So take a paper like this and we are going to make a square first. Okay, so to make a square, what you have to do, just fold like this. And the corner should be like this. I think everyone know how to make the square using the A4 sheet paper. So we can tear the extra papers. You can use scissors or else you can use any roller to cut it. So now you have the square, right? So in this I am going to show you how to make the 7 shapes. So take your ruler, okay, and diagonally you make a line like this, okay, then fold it like this. The corner should touch like this, okay, the corner should touch, okay. Then again open the paper, okay. So we have made a line here. Now we are in the opposite, we are going to make another line. So fold again like this. So again fold it like this, okay. After folding, okay, you have folded, right, this corner here, you fold like here, and here also you can fold, but little bit, not fully. We are going to make a line only like this, okay. Then open, then draw the line. Now what you are going to do, take this side. Actually I have drawn the line till here only, so take this side and keep on the line like this. Line is there, right? Then fold like this, okay. So now we have one triangle here, so you have to mark on the line, okay. So now what you can do, so you have the square, triangles and all, right? This shape is there, right? So turn the page like this, fold till this line, okay. And actually you are going to make a triangle here, so press like this. So what you can do, you can make a triangle here. So I made with a big square shape paper, so if you want you can make with small square shape paper also. So check now how many shapes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, 2 large triangle, 1 medium sized triangle, then 2 small triangle, 1 square, then 1 parallelogram. What you can do, you can take this paper and you can paste it any thick cardboard, or else, for example, see, I have taken this book cover only. I have made a square shape exact of this shape, so you can make a paste it like this. You can paste like this, you can paste it. You can paste like this. If you want, you can color it, because different colors tangram puzzle we can make it, right? So If you want, you can color it. You can do slowly. For showing purpose, I'm doing fast. Right? You can use different colors like this. So once if you make the tangram puzzle, then you can play. You can because once only you are going to prepare it, right? So color it nicely. Okay. So finally I have colored it. Okay, now we can cut the different shapes. Here you go, you have the two triangles. So we have the two large triangles. And we have one medium sized triangle. One small triangle. One square shape. One more small triangle, this one. And one parallelogram. So you have all the things, right? Big triangles, square shape, two small triangle, and you have one medium sized triangle, then one parallelogram. So using this you can make different shape. How I have sewn like a cat, you can make different shape. For example, I will show, if you want I will show another shape. See here. And there are many shapes. I will send a PDF, you can download it in the link also. See here, I made a shape. Actually this is big one, right? If it's small one, you can make it small shapes also. If you couldn't able to see this one, I will show here in the small shapes. I will show you what I did, right? That one I will show you. Actually I made this one. Like this is small, right? So it's up to your creativity level. We can make different shape. Actually we can make even numbers and many things are there. We can make it. This is one kind of shape. Can you able to see it? Okay. So using the tangram puzzle, You can make different shapes, make it and useful, make the useful of it. Okay, until then, bye bye. And this is Dr. Femina Wahab. Bye bye.